According to the organizers, the exercise was meant to get rid of the garbage in the city and also sensitize the communities on the importance of living in a clean environment.
For us, we have been working with KRC. Our rubbish was not much, but other places we found that garbage is much. We should also work in hand with them so that we clear rubbish around Fort Portal City for the good of our development.
Actually, from a long time up to date, people keep litters, rubbish around, sometimes openly, sometimes secretly. So please, we are calling upon council to provide means of helping people. So, for instance, where I come from, they banned us from dumping rubbish, but they did not provide the way we are supposed to put the rubbish. So please, I know they can bring changes, but they also have to bring us the way forward. So that we keep our environment clean, we can be in position to do that, I trust.
In November 2021, Fort Portal City Council passed a waste management ordinance to regulate garbage collection. The ordinance came at a time when there was public outcry over increased garbage in the city. According to the ordinance, all garbage was to be privatized and contractors would be responsible to collect garbage from the Central and Northern Division. The contractors would then be paid depending on the amount of garbage ferried to the landfill.
With this new ordinance which has come on board, if we sensitize the masses to understand exactly what is going on, I think this element of garbage will be solved once and for all in the near future.
Available records indicate that the city generates at least 150 tons of garbage each month, which is largely heaped at dumping sites where it is either burnt or left to decompose.
For example, mbera twaruga itonko mukatala kanga kandu kwebembera kasasiro tebeire mubetwale bichweke bimwe bituiha mukasasiro n'ababebembezi abo nimbasaba bafweyo muno kurora nk'ekichweke kyange kinkwebembera nkoko bakisanga mu buyonjo bwakyo kasasiro eno teri yange neiwo noha kurora twayonje bichweka bino itwena twina kukwataniriza hamu na kanso na abanyamakuru na abebembezi abatalibamu nabamu.
However, this was later protested by the division mayors 4 months later, saying the money given to the contractor was too much and that the ordinance was passed without their consent. This, according to the members of the public who took part in the cleaning exercise, is the reason why the city, once regarded as Uganda's cleanest city, has heaps of garbage along its streets.
Council itulumu ya football kufayo muna kigamba kya kasasiro okuba abantu bakuba baina ameza amarungi kandi baina ebyokulya ebirungi bitoka sanga baina obuchafu kakasasiro sazino abantu banako abantu babagamba bafayo muno kuteka matoka hakasasiro bagisasure sente.
When sanitation of the place is not that good, even the water we are using is not safe. We are always crying out that the government is not putting medicine in hospitals. Yet, the diseases can be controlled by ourselves. Once we work on our sanitation, keep in a clean environment, most of the diseases are communicable. We can control them.
Kahunde Lucy, the Fort Portal health inspector, however, says they have agreed with private contractors to collect garbage from individuals as they pay the minimum amount of money compared to the garbage they have.
Through licenses sorry to Soroz Kiritaho single lemez wa kasasuro kitwini so yikiri kugambira nkati omusoro gulibwa okutego ha license wa kasasiro kugwireho omuntu atandike gwesasura kasasiro yesikumpa private contractor no akuja kuba narabamu kandi nasasuza siringi 10 ba kilo.
This is news at 8.